Good morning and welcome to another episode with a good deal guy. I bought a couple of these things. These are actually really cool. So if you're an eBay seller or you sell on Etsy or you sell on YouTube or you sell on Marketplace or you sell on Facebook or Poshmark or you may have your own website. Regardless, these are great for display. So if you're doing jewelry, if you do rings, if you do earrings, if you do necklaces, it just makes your life that much easier for displaying. So I bought a few different things. I'm going to leave you guys a link if you want to buy one for yourself. Now, I'm not saying go buy all of these today. Like when I just kind of sort of started, I just take pictures and sell them. Once I start making sales, then I bought slowly a couple of things, right? They're not even expensive. They're like $10, $15, $20, depends where you're buying them. This one here, I want to try. I've seen a lot of stores use them, but I wanted to try one for a long time and see how it works. So let's try this one right here. Oh, wow. This actually makes it really nice. Let's try this finger here. This is a smaller one, but still. This is perfect. Let me see. Let's do one here. That's a big one. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Maybe let's do one here. And let's do one here. Wow. This one, it's perfect. So if you're selling like gold or silver, or if you own a store, even for a store like a jewelry store, you don't have to buy super high-end ones, I guess. This will do the job. They come in black, they come in white. I like the black one better. It just, I think it stands out better, but that depends on your coloring and everything in your store too, right? Wow. I really like this one. I'm going to leave you guys the link if you need to order one. I bought this one from Amazon. I'm going to leave you the link. There's another one I bought. This one. This one looks really cute. It's like a little shoe. Let's see. This one's a little bit bigger, but let's see maybe these ones. Okay, so just a little spot that goes in there. I want to see how they stand. Oh, wow. Now this one is a little bit bigger. Let's see if this one fits there. Maybe this one. Uh-oh. Drop the whole thing. What are you doing? Oh, I guess that's not a spot really. Or there is. That one goes there. That one goes here. Maybe. Depends on your ring size. Yeah, so it doesn't fit for all the rings. Maybe this one is a little bit bigger. It's size 12. But if you have smaller rings, it's perfect. That's a small one. This is a small one. This wouldn't fit. This might. And see if this one fits here. Perfect. They look good. Even I know a lot of people are buying for home to put the rings. They actually look really cute. I really like this one too. This one comes in a couple of different colors too. This one came in clear and also came in white and black. So I got the clear one. Now there's another one that I got that I think is really nice for display. Again, if you're doing for Etsy or if you're doing for eBay or if you're doing for Facebook Marketplace. Now this one, you can size any size ring. That's what I like about this one. This one is kind of like solid. This one you can just put between the cushions. So this one, you can actually put one extra ring, I believe. Because this one you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one in the bottom. It's not a spot really, but I put one. It would look good for display. But this one, looks gorgeous. So if you have a black background, watch this. If you have a black background and you put this, it really pops really nicely. I'm going to leave you guys the link for this one as well. This is a really nice one. Okay, and I'm going to put this away for now. We can organize it later. I bought this one for the chains and for necklaces. So let's try this real quick, see how good is this one. Let's try one here. Let's try this one. This is actually a cute one. A little bumblebee. Oops. There we go. This one is perfect. Even if you have like longer chains or shorter chains, this is perfect for display. It's like velvet-ish. Yeah, because it's a plastic in the back and then they put velvet on top or whatever that is. This is really nice too. If you need for your jewelry, for display, again, if you're selling stuff online like necklaces, this is a really nice one too. All right. This one goes back here. Now there's the other one I bought. I want to show you guys this too. I don't have any earrings. I have my earrings in a storage space. But this one is really nice for earrings for display. Again, they come in white, they come in black. But if you have a black background, that would look amazing. Or again, if you have a white background, or even a black, like this would look really good if you have like silver earrings, or if you have like gold earrings or anything for display. That would look gorgeous. I saw with the last one I want to show you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. This one here, I bought this one too, just to see what they look like. But there we go. You can actually hang it right here. And then with this one, you have to have a nice background. You might have a cloth, or you might have a little box with lights in it for photos. But this one's by itself, it looks great. Let me know, guys, what do you think. Okay, those are my favorite ones. Like I said, this one here, I'm gonna leave you the link. By far, this is my favorite for taking photos for rings. This one was my second favorite. This one is really nice too. It's for different settings, right? And this one here. And if you're looking for earrings, these two, I'm gonna leave you the link if that's something you need. Even I know some people buy them for home. Why not? I know my wife has a couple of different things like this one. She has one. And I'm going to leave you guys the link if that's something you need for yourself or for a gift. And let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.